Daddy.
What are you doing?
I am playing game.
Train track. Yeah? Did it rain today?
And I forgot my outfit, Daddy.
We can't find Alfie right now, can we? We're going to go look in the living room.
I can't find outfit now, Daddy.
We'll find him though, won't we?
Where you playing Daddy?
Tell Daddy you miss him? Go. Joseph. Joseph, hello.
How are you? He's taking this tool to come out. He's taking this tool to come out.
You taking that log to the sawmill? The sawmill needs to be back on the track or the board, or you're not going to be able to reach it.
What is that?
Did the log fall off? David. Okay, we love you.